Hello and welcome to my channel. Last week I did an unboxing of the Honyocker Striptease scent in their oil, their co-wash, as well as their balm. This week I'm going to do the full review, coming right up after the intro. Hello and welcome back. I just want to start off with, if you guys haven't seen the unboxing video yet, I'm going to put a little card up here or a little card up here so that you guys can check out that video to get my first impressions and how that compares to what you're about to hear today. So the first thing I want to talk about is their pricing. It's actually very simple. It seems like all their products are $15 if you buy them individually. So the Striptease oil, balm, co-wash, and also the butter, which I didn't end up getting, they're all $15. But then you can get an oil and balm combo for $26, or you can get a co-wash bundle, which comes with an oil, balm, and a co-wash for $40. And then on top of that, if you spend over $50, it's free shipping. So I just want to talk about my experience with these products today. So when I initially unboxed the Striptease here, the Honyocker Striptease, I had mentioned that I feel like it's more of like a medium into like a heavier weight oil, like an Ardias Man. But the more and more I use it, I actually found it's more actually like a light medium oil, more on the medium side. So it's probably closer to something like a Holy Grail in terms of consistency and what it feels like in the palm of your hands. Now this is definitely an interesting scent. It's very fruity. It's very, you get all sorts of different candy and fruity scents out of this. That's not something that I really like. In this case, on my first impression was that I kind of like it. The fruity scent is a little bit different. It's not really overbearing. Still, I'm gonna have to say I'm not a huge fan of the fruity scent. This particular scent I probably wouldn't purchase again. Now, in my favor, I did also find that the scent actually didn't last very long. So I'm going to say after putting it in beard, probably up to 2 hours and the scent was gone. So if you want a really good quality oil and you do want to kind of try out a candy type scent that isn't going to last in your beard for very long, this is probably a good one to try if you're broadening your horizons and you've decided that you want to try out some candy scents, because if you do end up not liking it, it isn't going to last a super long time. So this would be a really good one to, try out those candy scents. In terms of quality, I did find this oil was really good. It did end up hydrating my beard really well. And then to go into the balm was relatively easy to get out of the tin. Not a whole lot of scent on the balm, so again, it's something that it more or less just complements the oil in terms of scent, so it's not overbearing by any means. The quality, this one's definitely more of again, like a light medium balm. I wouldn't say it's a medium balm. It did definitely soften up the beard a little bit and it has a decent amount of hold. One thing I really did like about this balm is how, despite, like, when I say it's relatively easy to take out of the tin, you do have to give it a bit of pressure to get it out of the tin. But once you have it out of the tin, it actually does emulsify really quickly, as you can see. So even though it's a little bit harder to get out of the tin than some balms that I've used in the past, it really does emulsify quickly. You can put it into your beard right away and just soak it all in. And then the co-wash kind of had more of this like creamy consistency. I've used a lot of beard washes, not a ton of co-washes and conditioners. I did find that this one was a little different compared to the other ones that I tried. There's if you're thinking about like a conditioner in your hair, where there's like no lather really, and it's just like kind of this creamy consistency to really just condition your hair, that's definitely what this is, but for your beard. So I would definitely pair this with some sort of a beard wash if you're looking to cleanse your beard as well. This is really more of a conditioner. It's truly just a conditioner to condition your beard. So you're going to want to pair this with something else. The scent is true to the Striptease scent. It's exactly like all the rest. And the scent, again, doesn't last very long in the beard. But again, it's a co-wash, so the intent is to kind of just condition, soften your beard. Now, I do want to talk about the the softness in my beard. I did find that this week using just the Honyocker products, my beard was a little bit more coarse than what I'm used to. Now, what I mean by that is it was definitely soft. You know, if you're someone who's just starting to use beard products and you're going from like a very coarse beard to, oh my god, I just used an oil and now my beard is softer, this stuff is amazing. Okay, like it definitely does soften your beard. It just wasn't quite as soft as what I'm used to, and I honestly think the reason for that is that I've in the last few months I started really getting into the butters, kind of like everybody else, and I really find that the butters at night, in combination with a beard wash, and of course the oils and the balms and co-wash, it really does soften up the beard. So I kind of regret that I didn't get the beard butter for them, and I'd like to do another review maybe a few more months down the road where I kind of do the oil, the balm, the butter, and then the co-wash, because I really think that using all of those products together will help soften the beard more. So I don't want this to be a knock on Honyocker. I really want you guys to understand that this product is good. It is gonna soften your beard. I'm just so used to using butters now that I feel like that's the reason why my beard wasn't so soft, and not because these products aren't good. So I just thought that was worth mentioning. I think I'm gonna pivot on this channel a little bit, and if I'm going to be reviewing a company's products, I really think it's not fair to the companies if I'm not kind of trying their array of products. It really doesn't paint a picture of what their products are like, and what their products can do for your beard. So I mean, there's a couple ways to go buy this. I can either just do oils, and then another week just do balms or something like that. But I really think if you really want to soften your beard, and I've got a video on how to soften your beard, I'll put a card up here for that as well. I really think there is this 4-step process that you just have to follow if you want to soften your beard. And you're really gonna, if you use that process and then you get away from that process, you're really gonna find that your beard is not as, regardless of how amazing the product is, your beard is just not gonna be as soft as if you follow that process. So would I buy Honyocker again? I'm gonna say yes. I would definitely buy Honyocker again. Would I purchase the Striptease? I'm gonna have to say no. I feel like if I did like the scent a lot, I probably would have been a little bit disappointed that the scent didn't last very long. But because I wasn't a huge fan of the scent, I actually didn't mind the scent wasn't there for, like 4 to 6 hours. The quality is great. My beard definitely, it hydrated my beard. It did exactly what it's supposed to do. I just really regret not getting that butter, guys. So if you're gonna try out Honyocker, you like a candy scent, try this out for sure. But they do have a whole bunch of other scents as well that you might like better. And I strongly encourage you guys, don't just go out and buy an oil. Get the oil, get the balm, get the wash, get the butter, and you'll truly have an amazing experience softening up your beard. That's all I've got for you guys today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.